It was a manic Monday on Dalal Street. Some rupees 3 lakh crore of investor wealth got wiped out, but why? Hi, I am Saloni Goyal from etmarkets.com, and here are the top reasons that triggered the bloodbath on Dalal Street. BSE benchmark Sensex plunged 800 points, while Nifty slipped below the 12,000 mark. Why did investors flock to safety? Here are the top reasons. First, US-Iran flare-up. The killing of Iranian Major Qasem Soleimani by the US forces resulted in retaliation by Iran, including an attack on an airbase that houses US troops. The United States said it detected a heightened state of alert by Iran's missile forces as President Donald Trump warned the US would strike back, perhaps in a disproportionate manner, if Iran attacks any American person or target. Most of the major global markets were trading with deep cuts, which did not help investors back home. What is hurting the market sentiment most is a surge in crude oil prices. Brent crude today reclaimed the $70 mark, risking crude oil supplies from the West Asia that accounts for half of the world's oil supplies. There are concerns the world will lose 20% of seaborne crude oil, which may lead to a 20% increase in oil price. If things escalate quickly, then oil can easily rabbit to $75 mark or even higher. This spells trouble for the world economies. Analysts believe that global economies are not fit enough to be able to absorb significant oil price increases. This is more worrisome for countries like India that run a current account deficit. Well, not only the economies, the rising crude oil prices also spell troubles for oil-linked stocks, paint companies, chemical companies, aviation stocks and OMCs. Shares of HPCL declined 5%, while IOC and BPCL shed 2%. Aviation stock Interglobe Aviation fell 3% and SpiceJet 4%. A weak oil also does not bode well for the rupee. Depreciation in rupee means that India's import bill will keep on rising, as importers will have to shell out more for the same amount of goods. This also affects the fiscal math of the government. The US-Iran flare-up is yet to pan out fully, and markets will keep moving up and down, and we will keep you updated.